Cindy A. Lewis here. Quick and easy little craft for you today to add to your journals, your cards, whatever paper crafts you're doing, maybe even wood crafts if you wanted to. But have you seen these Deco tape pens? These are so cute. I have to say, I doubted, but they are super cute, and I'm going to show you each one. They all do to something different, and I'm just going to add them to my page in my altered book junk journal just so you can see. And the ones that I picked up are all from Temu, and I'm going to link that below in case you're interested in them. They are different kinds. So this one is hearts, as you can see right here. This one is a little trees with a fox and a deer, more kind of fallish. This one is all stars, different colors. This one is birds on a little line, like a power line or something. And this one is like a vine. And so I just wanted to show them to you. They're super cute, and we're just gonna do some along the page. So let's just take the first one. And again, these were like 95 cents a piece, so really inexpensive. You don't get a whole lot with it, but super cute and easy to use. And it's called Deco tape. So all I'm gonna do for this page is I'm just gonna run it along here, along this line, side. And I'm not too worried about if it's even or if it's full. But you can see how cute that is. I'll try to zoom in for you so you can see it a little better. But super cute. So that is the vine. Then let's turn the page and let's just, now these I will cover, but I'll leave it open just so that I can say I did. Let's do the hearts on this side. Now this one is the hearts. Again, these are 95 cents on Temu, but you might can find them somewhere else. And, you know, I have these paper clips in here. Let me pull that off. All right, so we're just going to come down the side. And again, paper clips are not my friend with this. Look how cute that is. And it's just tape. But I'm hitting these paper clips under here, so that is making a difference. All right, let's try it here with the birds. Now, the birds are super cute. The bottom for the birds is held this way, so I can hold it this way. So we'll just go along here and just put some birds. And it's really not that hard, but it does. I have all these paper clips here. Anyway, look how cute that is. So cute. Okay, let me move over. Let me see if I can find something where it's not, no paper clips. Let's go back here on this back page because I may end up covering that up anyway, but we'll see. And not all of these tape pens will go with this journal, but maybe we can make it work. All right, this one is the stars. So you can see when there's no paper clips under there, how cute is that? And then lastly, I have the Deco tape pen that is trees, a deer, and fox. So let's just do it on this end. And we'll try it. We'll try it just here. Let me show you this way, and then I'll show you how it looks. That's going to be upside down. This way. Super cute, you guys. Super cute. So, wanted to show you here, but let me just take this piece of plain paper, which is probably what I should have done in the first place, but you know me, I gotta make it actually work for something I would use. But this is just a white sheet. You can see that's the stars. Then next to that is your vine. Yes, I do want more of these. My hearts got off track a little bit, but here are the hearts, just to show you that. And then again, we'll turn it this way and I'll show you the trees and then the birds. Isn't that cute? I mean, really adorable. So 95 cents a piece on Temu. I do not get any kind of kickback from it, from you shopping there. So if you want to, fine. If you don't, fine. But I did want to show you it's something that you can add inexpensively to journals and your paper crafts. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.